it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And this week, I am bringing y'all a major win. I am showing you how to bring the Cheesecake Factory to you. You know how like they have that saying, be your own piece? Be your own Cheesecake Factory, okay? I am showing you how to make a quick and easy microwave white chocolate chip cheesecake in half the time. Okay, and I know how it sounds, y'all, because I was surprised myself when I did it, and it was popping. So, if you want to know how to make cheesecake in the microwave, just keep watching. But before you go, you already know. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.
First thing you're going to do is take a tablespoon of some butter. I used margarine, and go ahead and melt it. Then you'll take 2 to 2.5, maybe 3, depending on how you like your crust, some graham crackers, and you'll put them in a Ziploc bag and start to take out your frustrations, aka crumble it up. Once you've got a fine dust, you'll go ahead and put it into your melted butter, mix it around, and we have got the base of our cheesecake, our graham cracker crust. All right, on to the filling. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of granulated white sugar with, I'm not quite sure what this looks like on screen, but I'm going to say safely maybe like 2 tablespoons of some softened cream cheese, and just mix that together. And then we're going to add in a little bit of some vanilla extract, give it another good mix before finally adding in our white chocolate chips. So now you'll just take your filling and put it on top of your crust. I think this next part pretty much goes without saying, but I'll say it just in case. You're gonna go ahead and smooth out your cheesecake filling on top of your crust. And so now that I've done that and it's all even, just gonna give you a look. All right, on to the cooking. So you'll put this in your microwave. It's really important that you reduce the power to 50%. And now you're gonna microwave in 45-second burst for like 4 minutes and some change. All right, taking it out of the microwave, this is what we're looking like. And you're just gonna pop that into your freezer to chill for about an hour, and then top with some strawberries, and you guys, it's that simple. You're done.